you so much for coming here tonight. Despite the traffic, despite the bad weather we had last 2 days ago, but here we are celebrating the 18th birthday of Aya Nicole Bunda, and I am so grateful that everyone is here, and there's a lot of friends nga galab gid kay Aya, and we are so thankful for the love. And once again, welcome, and let's enjoy the night.
Hi Aya, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy life while you're still young. Kay damo gina mga regrets nga maanuhan mo kung older ka na.
Well, first, no, I'm so thankful kay ikaw ang una ko nga bata, and of course, ikaw ang reason, one of the reasons why I'm tough, I'm strong, and independent siya rin. But well, I'm very happy, and I hope nga this tonight will be the start of a new beginning.
Someday, maging successful ka gid kay ka very talented, kasi mo lang ga. Keep chasing your dreams and pray gid all.
Padayon lang sa pagalagad kag matutom na sa pagalagad sa Ginoo, kay ang Ginoo magahatag gid sa imo sa imo nga ginapangayo as long nga magapadayon ka sa pag-serve. Ate Aya, ang wish namin sa mga Ate Abby is yung mga dreams mo matupad. We love you.